Hit it. Fire! Rack it. Hit it again. Fire! No, hold up.
Hold on.
I'm sorry, I told you condition 2, huh? Fire! 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 Fire it out. Fire! Fire! We're on target. Fire! Fire! You don't have to rack it every time unless it stops. Fire!
Target's gun 1.
All right, keep that shoulder pressure. Fire! Fire! Let's go right. Flip this up. We're gonna move it left. So push it right. Right there. Fire! Fire!
Hey, right 5, right 5.
Fire! Let's go right 5.
Show that,
Go
hold
up
that
1,
shoulder.
Daryl. Fire. Fire out that belt.
Ow!
Head, rack it back, weapon on safe, charging handle forward, and you can go ahead, sight in, take it off safe, you're ready to fire. Alright, that was unloading cover open and closed. Once we're done firing, to clear the weapon, you're going to see all your belt just disappear, and you're going to hear it click. You're going to be out of ammo. You go ahead and sound off, out of ammo! After that, you're going to rack the bolt to the rear, weapon on safe. You're a team leader, you can crack the cover open. You're going to sweep the feed tray, move out any links or brass. You go ahead and flip it up. You're going to look down in the barrel into the chamber. Make sure you see no brass, no rounds or anything. After that, you're going to sound off clear. Then you're going to watch your bolt go home. Just ride it home. That's clearing the weapon. So you charge the handle forward. Okay, and you can sight in. Remember cheeseburger grip back there. And what you're going to do is sight in, and whenever you're ready to fire, take it off safe, and you're going to lean forward. And remember that straight line from his shoulder down his leg. That's good. That's good enough. Okay, and in the truck you'll be standing. Just get you a good comfortable stance, athletic stance, whatever, Marine Corps, big map stance. And you go ahead and lean forward into it. Whatever's comfortable. Okay, so we're firing out of ammo. Alright, you're going to go ahead and rack the bolt to the rear. If you want to, and it would make me comfortable, but never mind, it's good. Yeah, put it on safe. Now you can crack your cover, lift it up, and we're going to go ahead and check. Go ahead and lift it all the way up. You're going to sweep the feed tray, flip it up, and if there were a round, it'd be right there in that hole. That's the chamber. Nothing in it, you can leave your cover open. We like to watch the bolt go on. So you'll take it off safe, go ahead and ride it home. Alright, that's it. So you go ahead and rack the bolt to the rear, put your weapon on safe. Go ahead and crack the cover open, take the belt out, sweep the feed tray. Now look down in the chamber, make sure there's no round in there. Go ahead, take it off safe, ride your bolt forward, and you go ahead and reload. Check your ammo, if you messed up links, messed up casings, anything like that. If your ammo's good, go ahead and reload it. go ahead and rack. This is loading, so we'll rack the bolt to the rear, charging handle forward, sight in, and fire. If after that you still have problems with it, you might need to take it down, clean it. If it's more than that, maybe an armorer might have to take a look at it, but usually it's just a dirty gun or some dirty rounds. So you spray them off, dust them off, whatever, you'll be good.